What are the ethical questions about CRISPR-Cas9 and designer babies? Imagine a future where parents can choose specific traits for their children before they are even born. This idea sparks a lot of questions about what is right and wrong. CRISPR-Cas9 is a tool that can edit genes very precisely. It can potentially fix genetic diseases or even add desirable traits. But with this power come many ethical concerns that society is still trying to figure out. One big issue is safety. The technology is not yet perfect. Sometimes it makes unintended changes to the DNA, which could cause health problems later on. These off-target effects might lead to new diseases or genetic issues that we cannot predict. Also, there is the problem of genetic mosaicism, where not all cells carry the same edits. This can cause unpredictable health outcomes. Since we do not know the long-term effects, many worry about causing harm even if the goal is to help. Another concern is about consent. Embryos cannot agree to genetic modifications that will affect their entire lives and future generations. Parents or scientists make these decisions for them, raising questions about individual rights and autonomy. Future children might not want to live with traits chosen by others. Justice and fairness are also at the heart of this debate. CRISPR is expensive, so only wealthy families or countries might afford it. This could create a world where some children have genetic advantages, while others do not. Such disparities could deepen social inequalities and challenge the idea of fairness in healthcare. There is also a clear divide between using CRISPR for medical purposes and for enhancement. Treating serious genetic diseases is generally accepted, but using it to improve traits like intelligence or appearance raises ethical questions. This kind of enhancement could lead to new forms of eugenics, where society pressures people to conform to certain ideals. Some argue that editing human embryos challenges the natural order and human dignity. Creating genetically modified humans in labs might be seen as disrespectful to the intrinsic value of human life as it naturally occurs. Regulation is another big issue. Laws and guidelines are still catching up with the rapid progress of gene editing technology. Without proper oversight, there is a risk of misuse or unethical experiments. International cooperation is needed to set clear boundaries and prevent harmful practices. Finally, many research projects involve creating multiple embryos, most of which are not implanted. These embryos might be destroyed or frozen, raising moral questions about the status of potential human life. Respect for embryos and their moral standing is a key part of the ethical debate. While CRISPR offers hope for curing genetic diseases, these ethical questions reminded us to proceed carefully. Balancing the benefits with potential risks and social impacts is essential. Society continues to discuss and shape rules to ensure this powerful technology is used responsibly and fairly.